Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. Yeah, so what I played in that video, right? In that video is very simple. Let me just go straight to the point. Let me not waste your time. So let me play it like once or twice then before I just break it down. So right, so I actually played it on the key of F, right? So what I played is do, mi, so. So I'm actually using a ghost notes there, right? So do, mi, do, mi, so, right? So do, mi, so. That's the first line. So do, mi, so, right? Then mi, re, mi, right? So do, mi, so, mi, re, mi. You get it? So let's play slow. Again. You get it? That's the first line. So the next one is right. So mi so ti, right? Mi so ti so la 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 la. Mi so ti so la 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 la. Right. So do mi so mi re mi, right? Mi so ti so la 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 la. You get it? So that is also again. Right. So the next line is right. So re, fa, la. So that ghost note actually is very needed. It's actually what actually made the songs sound more groovy and rhythmic, right? So right, so right, so re, fa, la, then fa, mi, fa. Then slide it down. Fa, mi, fa, re, fa, la, fa, mi, fa. Right, then so. Right. So. You can also do so. Right. So. Anyone. Right. So. That is also. Yeah. Right. So. Do mi so mi re mi. Mi so ti so la 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 la. Then re fa la fa mi fa. So. You get it? So that's so. Just, so that is also. Wet. Yes, so that's actually what I played in that video. So thank you so much. So just take your time and just go over it. Take it slow. Start slow before you get to your desired tempo. Thank you. So once again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please, I would love you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a video, you actually see updates. Thank you. See you next time.